Fit like Abdee. I hope you're all keeping well and welcome to Fishing Things. We've a fishing trip here in the morning, so I'm out my sherry just now and I'm want to look at some bait. So if I can get this open. That's it. Let's see if it we're going to attack we some more. Now, there's a heap of squid here, but it's all frozen into blocks. There's hail mackerel underneath here. A couple of packs of again. See if I can break a bit of this block. That was easy enough. That should keep us going. Keep Abdee happy. That's our bait. Look at it for a morning. The wind is just howling here tonight. Howling gale of wind. It's supposed to die doing early hours in the morning. Here's a wee project I've been working on here. Been making a wee unit thing for our gilly in the Rachel May. So it's just kind of mocked up just now, and it'll be fiberglassed into the body once it's finished. Yeah, 300 for a stack. 300? Right. Okay. I'll try and get in 4 if I can get it. Okay. That's 300, right? You? Is that the 300? 284. Okay, Abdee. Perfect. 400 on the nose. Perfect. Spot on. Right, spot on. Thank you very much. Yeah, bother at all. Now what's your engine? Big burrito thing. She's a MAN engine, 320 horse, and it's a 10 cylinder. Now we've just put in 400 litres of fuel and I didn't care how long it's going to last. Burns a lot of fuel this thing. I come down early today to get the fuel tanker down and put fuel in, fill the tank of fuel. Well, it's not full like, but yeah, but then plenty to last us a fairly anyway. Yeah. Well, here's hoping we get some fish. I've got my mackerel and squid for bait, keep all the customers happy. It's been a lot of wind the last 2 or 3 days. Last night at Bodom was gusting up to over 50 mile an hour, maybe 51, 52 mile an hour. It's alright here at the Broch because the wind's coming off the lawn and the wind's dropping a lot today. I think it says 15 mile an hour to 27 or gusting 27, something like that. It's coming off a lawn, so we're alright. I'm still trying to get used to this new camera. It's a bit different from my other one. Here's hoping that the video turns out okay and fine and clear. And I hope you can hear me speaking this thing, because my whole camera was just goosed out together. Gust of wind knocked at the tripod over. The camera got a dent in a rock skin, so that didn't help it.
Against you. Excellent.
Rachel May, have we cleared the sail over?
Ah, yes, should I clear the sail, aye. It's your POB, please.
It's 12 plus 2.
12 plus 2, that's all right. Yeah,
fijn to see the sun out at this time of year.
What's that, Billy? But let's get all shut in today, Doug, then. Aye, you are clear, Jim. Okay. Yes, I know.
It is beautiful. It's a bullock.
Right, well,
Right, so, in. Grabbing it. Oh, well done.